Dear students, now we are in the topic of dot product of vectors. Dot products we have completed. Cross product of vectors. Among cross product of vectors, yesterday we explained about the concept cross product of vectors. Concept completed. Now let us do the sums. Cross product of vectors. We can discuss some theory bits. Just only two theory bits I am handing, which are important in MSET concept. Theory bits level 1 class work, which are important for MSET. Only MSET level 1 class work, level 1 homework belong to MSET only. It is not for JEE mains. So level 1 class work, some problems and level 1 homework, some problems according to schedule I will explain today. And theory bits also. Whatever the sums I left, you do individually. If you are having any doubt, you can ask, no problem. Theory bits only two sums I want to discuss you. This is important sum in previous MSET question. Third, theory bits only 3 and 4 I want to discuss with you. 3 and 4. And the fifth, 8th question is there already yesterday in concept I said. So now we want to discuss third bit. If he given the value, if a bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar, a bar dot b bar equal to a bar dot c bar, and a bar cross b bar is equal to a bar cross c bar, then what is the value according to option? We should calculate a bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar he given. Now we can write that a bar dot b bar minus a bar dot c bar is equal to 0. That implies a bar taken common, we can write here b bar minus c bar equal to 0. So that indicates therefore this is dot product a bar perpendicular to b bar minus c bar. It is a case, or we can write if the product of two numbers is 0, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Or you can write here a equal to 0, I mean null vector. B bar minus C bar equal to 0. It is also null vector. So therefore you can write here a bar equal to 0 or B bar is equal to C bar. B bar is equal to C bar. Now taking this one, a bar cross B bar minus a bar cross c bar equal to 0 bar, this is null vector. Here you take common a bar along with the cross, then within the brackets you will be getting 0, b bar minus c bar is equal to 0 bar. Here we can understand that if cross product is 0, then the two vectors are said to be parallel. If dot product is 0, then two vectors are said to be perpendicular. So here you can say that a bar parallel to b bar minus c bar. Or once again we can say a bar equal to 0 bar and b bar minus c bar equal to 0 bar. Therefore a bar is equal to 0 comma b bar is equal to c bar. The value what I had written you discuss. You think like this, a bar perpendicular to b bar minus c bar and a bar parallel to b bar minus c bar. The thing is not possible yet instant. The two vectors are perpendicular to parallel at the same instant, it is not possible. So this you don't consider this one. So you conclude that a bar equal to 0 or b bar is equal to c. Now according to option, yes, it is second option. So option 2 verified according to options. Option 2 verified. Next. Third question, fourth question. Third question completed. Let us discuss about fourth question. In the fourth question, some print mistake is there. P bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. He given the value P bar is equal to a bar plus b bar and Q bar is equal to a bar minus b bar. And the magnitude of the vector a bar is equal to r he given. And the magnitude of vector b bar is equal to r he given. Magnitude of vector a bar and b bar both he given as r. Modulus of b bar is equal to r. Then that's all. you don't think the middle one he given as P cross Q is equal to B. It is wrong, and two thens are there. Strike off the two thens. Simply one then is there. Then what is then here? Then modulus of P bar cross Q bar. You should calculate the value modulus of P bar cross Q bar using this P and Q. Modulus of P bar cross Q bar. P bar equal to A plus B, Q bar is equal to A minus B he given. Now you should calculate modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Then consider, I am writing here. Whenever we should calculate modulus in the vector concept, you should write consider P bar plus Q bar whole square. Whatever the modulus is given, you should consider with square P bar cross Q bar whole square I am writing. P bar cross Q bar whole square. So what is the formula of P bar cross Q bar? Mod P square into mod Q square minus, let us consider this one. What is the value of P bar cross Q bar? A plus B into A minus B. First let us do P cross Q. Later, if it is possible, we can do square. P bar cross Q bar, let us write. P bar cross Q bar is equal to now A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. So A bar plus B bar, A cross A, you can write this one as A bar cross A bar minus A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar cross B bar. You know that the cross product of same vectors is 0. Here this is 0. Now, therefore, you can write here P bar cross Q bar over modulus is equal to 2 into B bar cross A bar. Because this minus taken this side, then the cross product symbol will change. Then the cross product terminology terms also can change. Since B cross A you can write here, B cross A you can write. It becomes 2B cross A. Now we can take the value squaring on both sides. So now I am writing P bar cross Q bar whole square over modulus is equal to 4 into, take modulus here, B bar cross A bar whole square. Let us write the value of the B bar cross A bar whole square here. According to options, we can write that using Lagrange's identity, that implies I am writing here P bar cross Q bar whole square is equal to 4 into according to Lagrange's identity, I said yesterday, mod B square into mod A square minus A dot B whole square minus A dot B whole square. This is the Lagrange's identity. 4 into, now what he given, instead of B bar you can write R, so R square, and instead of A bar also R square, minus simply you leave this one A bar dot B bar whole square. Now we should calculate P bar cross Q bar, that's all, no need square. So if you take root for this one, 4 root becomes 2, and this one you can write as R power 4 minus A bar dot B bar whole square. In AIEEE 2003 he given, but in MSET so many times he given the question, this one. You should not forget the answer, 2 into root of R power 4 minus A bar dot B bar whole square. Theory bits are enough from my end. Now you can do all theory bits. Next let us discuss about module 1 classwork. According to schedule I want to discuss with you. Until 23 sums you can do, you do. From 24th sums onwards I am saying. Level 1 classwork. Theory bits only 2 are enough. In 8th question theory bit, yesterday I discussed. In last I said the proof. Modulus of A cross I whole square plus modulus of A cross J whole square plus modulus of A cross K whole square equal to 2 mod A square. That is only the bit in AIEEE 2005 he given, 2 mod A square is the answer for 8th question. Now level 1 classwork. level 1 class work. I want to write the schedule here. 24, 25, 26, 28, 30, next 34, 35 also, 35, next 42, 35, 42, 45, 46, 47, 48, 51. 51 sum I think yesterday I discussed it by taken an example. So no need to discuss with now 51 sum. Okay, let us start 24th question in level 1 class work. Level 1 homework also I will say according to this schedule. 24 we read ABCD is a quadrilateral such that AB is equal to he given as I plus 2j and AD is equal to he given as j plus 2k and AC also given. AB and AD given. AB value I plus 2j and AD value j plus 2k. AC is equal to 2 into I plus 2j plus 3 into j plus 2k. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD. Find area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. Let us draw the diagram, rough diagram about the quadrilateral. AB, let us consider AB is a side like this, right? ABCD. AD he given the vector j plus 2k and AB he given the vector I plus 2j and AC also given. AC he given the vector as 2I plus 2j plus 3j plus 2k. Now we can write here 2I plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7j plus 3 6 3 2s are 6k. This is the AC value. We should calculate the area of the quadrilateral. Yesterday we discussed the formula area of quadrilateral having diagonals. Area of ABCD means here I am discussing about area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral formula. First you read vector area or simple area. Simple options given in scalar. So you put mod here, area of quadrilateral having diagonals. If we given as AC, then we should try to understand that you should calculate another diagonal. Having diagonals is AC cross BD. Now BD, let us get the value BD using the triangle property BA plus ED. So what is the value BA here? Minus I minus 2j taking negative direction. Minus I minus 2j plus 2 plus j plus 2k. It becomes, so BD vector becomes minus I minus j plus 2k. Now you can write the value area. Area is 1 by 2 into modulus of, here I mean determinant I, j, k you put here. AC value whatever we got here 276 components I am writing 276 and this component minus 1 and 2. So by calculating the determinant 1 by 2 into I into what is the value? 7 2s are minus 14 plus 6. So this is minus 8. Minus j into minus 4. So this is only 1 by 2 into BD. BD this is only 2. Only 2. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 becomes 20. So 14 plus this is 20 I write. Minus j. minus j into 2 to the 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 becomes 10 plus k into the value 2 minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 plus 7 becomes 5. So 5 you take here common. 5 by 2 I am writing here. Whenever you take common, it becomes 4i minus 2j plus k. So area, this is vector area, students. If we need simple area, you can write here magnitude 5 by 2 into 16 plus 4 plus 1. So 5 by 2 into, what is the value of 16 plus 4? This is root 21. 5 by 2 into root 21 by 2. Here given it is as first option. Next let us discuss about 25%. In MSET question, cross product, if he give a question in cross product, generally he used to ask, he may ask, he can ask the question in the areas. That is why I am saying 25. 25 question. The area of parallelogram constructed by the vector a bar and b bar. The area of parallelogram constructed by the vector. Area of parallelogram constructed by the vectors a bar and b bar as sides. This is a and this is b. As sides. P bar, q bar are unit vectors forming an angle 60 in what is the square units. A bar, let the name A, B, C, D is the parallelogram. A bar he given as P bar plus 2Q bar. B bar he given as 2P bar plus Q bar. Now we know that area of parallelogram, we should calculate area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram formula, area of parallelogram having adjacent sides a bar and b bar is a bar cross b bar. If he is asking vector area simple a cross b, you should write. If he is asking simple area, you should put modulus here. So a cross b is there. Depends upon p and q, a cross b you should calculate. That implies a cross b you calculate now like this. P plus 2q. P bar plus 2q bar cross 2p plus q. 2p plus q. Power modulus you can put. You can write here now 2 into p cross p. Next to p cross q. 2 into p cross p. P cross q. Later 4 into q cross p. Later you can write here 2 into q cross q. 2 into q cross q. Power modulus. We know that the cross product between the two vectors is 0, first one 0 and p cross q. And this you can write as minus 4p cross q. So you can write here putting modulus simply 3p cross q plus 0, no need to write also. Now we got the area a cross b. So area a cross b became in the terms of 3 into p cross q. 3 into p cross q over modulus. Now what is the value of 3 into p cross p? If he given mod p and mod q and angle, we can use, otherwise we should get square both sides. He given the vector p and q are unit vectors. Now you can write here 3 into the modulus of p, formula 3 into mod p into mod q into sine of p comma q. Whenever I put bracket and between comma, it indicates angle for the vector. Whenever it is a unit vector, magnitude of unit vector is 1 and angle he given as 60 degrees. So sine 60 value root 3 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2 is the answer. 24, 25 completed. Let us discuss about 26. 26th question. The area of parallelogram. This is IMP. I know that this is an MSET question. Plenty of times in MSET given. And in mains 2012. In 2012 we got this question. 3a, area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 3i minus 4j plus 7k and 2j minus 4k. Area he given as root 436 and lambda he is giving condition lambda is greater than or equal to 0. Then what is the lambda? The value should calculate. Area of parallelogram. Area is ikk like this, ijk put here, ijk, and here 3 minus 4 lambda and 2j minus 4k he given. So you should write here 0, 2 minus 4. I am writing here whatever the sides he given. A bar is equal to 3i minus 4j plus lambda k, and B bar is equal to he given as 2j minus 4k, and the area, not vector area, it is the magnitude area root 436 he given. According to lambda, depends upon lambda, the condition also he given as lambda greater than or equal to 0. Then we calculate the value of lambda. I into this one minus 4 into minus 4, 16. You can write here 16 minus 2 lambda minus j into minus 12. Minus j into minus 12 plus k into 6. That's all. So put magnitude here. Put magnitude, the total overall value you will be getting 436. So 16 minus 2 lambda whole square, if we take common, okay, let us discuss squaring, taking magnitude. So 16 whole square 256 plus you write 4 lambda square minus 2 to the 4, 16 are 64 lambda plus this is 144 plus this is 36 is equal to root over 436. So 256, 144, 400 and 436. So now we are getting an answer 436 plus 4 lambda square. 436 plus 4 lambda square minus 64 lambda equal to 436. By squaring both sides we can get. So now we can write 436 and 436 will be getting cancelled. Here it becomes 0. If you take 4 lambda as a common, then we can write here lambda minus 16 equal to 0. So lambda equal to 0 comma lambda equal to 16, we got two values here. According to option, lambda is equal to 16 he did not give. So simply you try to understand that lambda is equal to 0 is the correct answer. If lambda equal to 16 he given, it is also correct answer. Next, let us discuss about 28th question. If the vectors, 27th question also we can discuss regarding vector area. 27th question, he given vector area, given vectors, vector area of quadrilateral. So the vectors he given. 27 vectors, two vectors given are diagonals of quadrilateral. 3i plus, let the name of the diagonal you put here, I is equal to 3i plus j minus 2k. 3i plus j minus 2k. 3i plus j minus 2k. And let the another diagonal you put here, I minus 3j plus 4k. 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k are diagonals of quadrilateral. So area here in the option he given vector area, not general area. Vector area may be positive or may be negative. There is no question of direction. So whenever you get minus, simply you put minus. Whenever you get plus, simply you put plus. Here you can write 3, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 4. This is 4, 4 minus 6 minus 2 I write. 3 for the 12 plus 2, 14j you can write. Plus k into minus 9 minus 1 minus 10k. Simply, if you take common, you can take common, otherwise, area formula 1 by 2. We know the formula 1 by 2. So minus I plus 7j minus 5k. Minus I plus 7j minus 5k. Minus j into 12 minus, he given maybe 27, let us see the option, he given fourth option, minus I minus 7j minus 5k. So So 3i, let us discuss 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. 3i minus j, 3, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 4. It's okay. Now I into 4 minus 6, it's okay. If it was a 12 plus 2, it's okay. This is correct. Next, let us discuss about 28th question. OA is equal to A bar given vector. OA according to position vector concept with respect to origin OA he given. OA is equal to A bar. OB is equal to 10A bar plus B bar. 10A bar plus 2B bar he given. 28th question. OA, capital A is a vertex, O is an origin, the position vector of A with respect to origin he given as A bar, and OB is equal to 10A bar plus 2B bar, and OC also he given simply B bar, OC given as B bar. Where A and C are non-collinear points, let P denote the area of quadrilateral OABC. Let us draw the rough diagram. OABC. OABC. Let P denote the area of quadrilateral OABC and Q denote the area of parallelogram with O and OC as adjacent sides. About quadrilateral, about parallelogram he given the adjacent sides as OA and OC. This is B. So if we put OA C here, if it is B, OA, OB separate is there and OC is B. Okay, let us take like this. Better. This is A bar, this is B bar. For this one also adjacent sides. This is A bar, this is B bar. We know that area of parallelogram having adjacent sides, area of parallelogram OABC is equal to, put this is A2 is equal to modulus of A bar cross B bar. Now let us discuss about this area. OB he given the diagonal as 10A plus 2B. The diagonal he given as 10A plus 2B. We know that the area of the quadrilateral is 1 by 2 into AC cross BD. Here AC cross OB. This one also you should join. AC I am writing here. Using triangle property you can write here AO plus OB. Then it becomes minus A bar plus B bar. Now area I am writing. Area is equal to, area indicate with A1 here because that is A2. A1 formula here 1 by 2 into OB cross AC. That is equal to 1 by 2 into OB cross AC. Let us write here minus A plus B cross 10A plus 2B. 10A plus 2B. That is equal to, let us write here 1 by 2 into A cross A like this. No need to write A cross A because it is 0. And B with B I am writing 10 into B cross A. Next B, this one completed. A, this one also like this. So A cross A completed, B cross A completed. Next A cross B, it becomes minus 2 A cross B. Then you can write here simply 2B cross A. Later B cross B becomes 0. Now you can write here 10 plus 2 12. 12 by 2 6. 6 modulus of B cross A. 6 modulus of B cross A. He is asking the ratio of P by Q. He put the name A1 is equal to P. I put here A1. He given the name A1 is equal to P and A2 is equal to Q. A2 is equal to Q he given. So P by Q value 6 A bar cross B bar over modulus by A bar cross B bar. So A bar cross B bar and B bar cross A bar both same whenever it is in positive, I mean magnitude. So answer is 6. 28th completed. Let us discuss about 30th question. 30th question also about area ABCD is a quadrilateral, and let AB be given as ABCD is a quadrilateral, and let AB is equal to A bar, AD equal to B bar, AC equal to MA bar plus NB bar. As it is the same concept, same model question. 30 question. ABCD is a quadrilateral given. Let us write here ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB is equal to A bar, and AD is equal to B bar, and AC is equal to MA plus NB. MA plus NB. Then the area of quadrilateral is asking. Area of quadrilateral. This one you should calculate. Once again. Let P remember as a formula. Depends upon this formula you can calculate 19th question also. Now BD I am discussing about BD. BD is equal to using the property BA plus AD. So BA means minus A plus B bar. You can write this one as B bar minus A bar. Now I am writing area. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of AC cross BD. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, simply you can write, no need calculation of determinant. AC is MA bar plus NB bar cross here B bar minus A bar. That is equal to 1 by 2 into M into A cross B, multiply with this one. M into A cross B. Next one, A cross A no need to calculate, it becomes 0. N B cross B no need to calculate, it becomes next step minus N into B cross A. Then you can write here N into A cross B. So whenever you take A cross B as common, it becomes M plus N in a bracket. M plus N by 2 into A cross B. Remember this one as a formula. Using this formula, you can get the sums also. Remember this one as a formula. 30th question. Using this one, you can calculate 29th question also. Using this one, you can calculate 28th question also. Next, 30, 34. 34 also same theory bit concept. U bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. AEEE 2002 he given. U bar equal to A bar plus B bar. V bar is equal to A bar minus B bar. And the data he given modulus A is equal to 2 and modulus B is equal to also 2. Then find U cross V. Find the value modulus of U bar cross V bar. According to A bar B bar concept, you should calculate U cross V. So U cross V can be understood as A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. Dear students, you should not get confused. A plus B into A minus B and A square minus B square. It is not a scalar product, this is a vector product. So like vector only you should do. So U bar cross V bar is equal to A cross A becomes 0, no need to write, and A cross minus of A cross B and B cross A. Then simply you put mod and you can write here 2 B cross A over modulus. If you take here squaring both sides, you can write U bar cross V bar whole square. U bar cross V bar whole square equal to 4 into B cross A whole square. According to question, modulus A he given, modulus B he given. According to Lagrange's identity, I said that modulus of B cross A whole square is equal to 4 into here mod B square into mod A square minus B dot A whole square. Therefore, now I am discussing about U bar cross V bar whole square. U bar cross V bar whole square is equal to 4 into what is the value of mod A he given 2 and mod B also he given 2. So here 2 square into 2 square. Here you can write 16 minus, simply leave it, A bar dot B bar whole square. If he given angle, then we can calculate. If he did not mention angle, no need to calculate. Therefore Now u bar cross v bar over modulus is equal to, taking the square root both sides, it becomes, this is a 2, 4 root 2, 2 into root of 16 minus a bar dot b bar whole square. The same sum you will be getting in vector triple product and scalar triple product, same sum, important sum, this one also. Answer also same, 16. In so many materials you can find this question, but easy question. Now let us discuss about 35th question. 35 question, lambda is equal to a cross, lambda given. Lambda is equal to a bar cross b bar plus c, and mu, scalars, 3 scalars given, mu is equal to b bar cross c bar plus a bar, and v, generally he should give nu, b lambda mu nu are alphabetical order, nu, so he given the name v, lambda mu v he given as a bar cross b plus c, b bar cross c plus c, and c bar cross a plus b. These are called as cyclic expressions. Now let us discuss linear combination. Linear combination according to addition of vector concept. Linear combination. If a vector r bar is equal to x a bar plus y bar plus z c bar, if that vectors are linearly independent or non-collinear or non-coplanar, then the scalar separately 0. I mean x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. If the vectors are linearly dependent, coplanar and collinear, then the vectors are linear combination total 0. In linearly dependent combination or linearly independent combination, linearly dependent combination total combination is 0, but in linearly dependent, x not equal to 0, y not equal to 0, z not equal to 0. So they are called as non-zero scalars. Here the linear combination is 0 and the scalars also become 0. They are called as zero scalars. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. So many times, plenty of times I discussed this one, that is why I am not writing on the board. Now linear combination, let us discuss about linear combination. Means summation of the vectors. Lambda plus mu plus v we can take. You can write here a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar plus, here you write b bar cross c bar plus b cross a plus c cross a plus c cross b, like that multiplication completed. What the value you will be getting? The linear combination. So linear combination, why you are calculating means, according to question, he is discussing about, just all I said, a coplanar concept. Linear concept is linearly dependent, coplanar and collinear, same concept according to vectors. So here a cross b and b cross a. B cross a negative, it becomes a cross b. So we can get cancelled. Here a cross c, maybe c cross a should be there. Yes, c cross a is there. It will be getting cancelled. B cross c also will be getting cancelled. So it becomes 0 bar. It is a 0 vector. Whenever linear combination is 0, then the vectors are said to be linearly dependent or coplanar. Therefore, you can say that lambda comma mu comma v are coplanar according to linear concept. Linear combination concept in addition of vectors topic. So here lambda mu and v are coplanar. Next 35 completed. 42 questions. Let us discuss. These questions are so important in EAMCET. If he did not ask about area, he used to ask in EAMCET questions in this model, the vector which is perpendicular to the plane or the vector which is perpendicular to both given vectors. So here read the question carefully. 42. A, B, C data given 3 points. A unit normal vector to the plane of triangle. Yesterday I said that this is a plane. Here A vector is there, and here B vector is there, here C vector is there. If any vector perpendicular to here A or B or C or any place on the plane, the vector normal vector said to be perpendicular, the normal vector is perpendicular to the plane, total plane itself. So we can calculate the unit vector perpendicular to the given plane according to formula AB cross AC if 3 vectors given. If only 2 vectors given, A cross B simply. So draw a triangle. Let us draw a triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. For A he given the coordinates of A 1, 2, 5. For B he given 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. For C he given 3, 2, -1. So now we should calculate the unit vector. Normal unit vector indicated with the letter N. Unit vector perpendicular to both AB and AC formula AB cross AC. AB cross AC. If he is asking plus or minus, unit vector we put plus or minus also. Plus or minus AB cross AC by modulus of AB cross AC. Now M cap is unit normal vector. You can put here I, J, K, and AB means position vector concept. OB minus OA. 5 minus 1 you can write 4, and 7 minus 2 you can write 5, and 9 minus 5 you can write 4. And AC, OC minus OA concept you can write here 2, and 2 minus 2 becomes 0, minus 1 minus 5 it is minus 6. You can calculate the vector here minus 30 into I bar. Next minus J into minus 24 minus 8. Minus 24 minus 8 minus 32, so plus 32 J bar plus K into 0 minus 10, this is minus 10 K bar. Minus 10 K bar. We can take a common here. According to option 42, maybe second option, okay. Second option is very fine. 2 into minus 59 plus 16J minus 5K. This is the N bar. Now you can write N cap by mod also write. By this one mod and write. By modulus of AB cross AC. So what is the value of modulus of AB cross AC? Here I am writing modulus of AB cross AC. So what is the value of magnitude? This one, root of 15 whole square to 25 plus 16 whole square to 56 plus this is 25. So by 2 also you should put, because unit normal vector by 2 and the value, whatever the value we got in denominator also should write. So no need to write now 2, it will be getting cancelled. Now you can write, understand that minus 59 plus 16J minus 5K whole by total value according to option it is 506. Maybe you can put plus or minus also. He given only positive value. Next one. This is also important. 45th question also important question. 45th question. 45. 45. The perpendicular distance of the point 6, 4, 4. Perpendicular distance of the point. This is the point 6, 4, 4. 6, 4, 4 to the line joining. A. He given the name here as this is A. 2, 1, 2, and he given the name as B here. 3, minus 1, 4. Let it be C. Let it be C and let it be D. Yesterday I said the formula and proof also. If you put theta here, this is, if you take this is U bar and this is V bar, I said that yesterday sin theta, using sin theta formula, CD by U bar and CD is equal to U bar sin theta. Using the concept we can say CD equal to U bar sin theta and U bar cross V bar is equal to, put mod here, mod U into mod V into sin theta. So you can write instead of mod U sin theta CD. So U bar cross V bar by V bar over modulus is equal to CD. So perpendicular distance from C to this line you can calculate using U. So what is the value of U? CD is equal to, you can write here AC. AC cross what is value? V. AB. AC cross AB by modulus of AB. Directly also you can write if you know the formula. So you can write here IJK. What is the value of AC? Position vector concept OC minus OA. 6 minus 2 you can write 4, and 4 minus 1 you can write 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2. This is AC. And AB position vector concept, 3 minus 2 it is 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Whole by magnitude of AB. What is the magnitude of AB? Whatever the value calculated now, you can write here 1 plus 4 plus 4. Now we can calculate the value. Here this is 4 students. So 4 I into the determinant 6 plus 4 10. I into 10 minus j into 8 minus 2, it is 6 plus k into minus 8 minus 3. Minus 8 minus 3, 11. Minus 11 whole by 3. So distance, this one magnitude. According to option, this one question 45 question. 45 question 136. 100 plus 36 plus 121. 136 plus 121. AC cross A2 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, he given the perpendiculars of point 6 comma, just a small mistake, minus 4. 6 comma minus 4 comma 4. 2 comma 1 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 1 comma 4. So 6 comma minus 1 comma 4, maybe change 6 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 here, it becomes minus 5. So determinant may change. AC 3 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 4 minus 2 2. It's okay. 1 plus 4 plus 4, it's okay. Here small change is there. Let us discuss about the change. Regarding calculation of determinant, I bar into minus 10 plus 4, minus 6, it's okay. Minus j into 8 minus 2, this is 6, plus k into minus 8 plus 3, this is minus 3, whole by 3 you can write. You can write, you can take common 3. If you take common 3, it becomes 2, 2, 1. Take magnitude 4 plus 1, whole by 3 you can get cancelled. Therefore, the perpendicular distance is CD is equal to 3 units. Perpendicular distance formula directly, if you know, you can write the formula. If you don't know, you should derive using the sin theta concept. Sin theta, using sin theta in right angle triangle, and the concept of vector product depends upon sin theta. So like that you can calculate. Now 45 completed. Let us discuss about 46th one. 46th. This is also important question. 46th conceptual question is AB equal to B and AC equal to C. Length of perpendicular from A to side BC. Length of perpendicular A to side BC. Same concept. This is A, this is B, this is C. Let us, this is D. AB, he given the formula as B bar, and AC he given the formula as C bar. Now, just now I written this one, U cross, this is U, this is V, and this is V. So, according to same as I am writing, same as 45 question. Same as 45 question, we can write AD here. A, the perpendiculations from A to D, AD is equal to, what is the value? U cross V means you can write B cross C. B cross C by, B cross C, how many options are there? Total 4. So 1 by 2 should not be, third option should not be, 2 should not be, fourth option should not be. Depends upon first and second. We know that easily OC minus OB concept, C bar minus B bar, C bar minus B bar. So he given whenever he put the magnitude B cross C by B minus C over modulus. That's all. 46th, like CUQ. Just a theory. 47th question. 47th question. The projection vector OA. The projection vector. The projection vector OA on unit vector OB equal to twice the area of a triangle. The projection vector OA. The projection vector OA. 47. The projection vector OA on unit vector OB. OA. You take here. This is O. This is B. The projection vector OA on unit vector OB equal to twice the area of the triangle OAB. What is the projection vector? Let us remember about projection vector. Projection vector of OA on OB. Projection vector of OA on OB. OA on OB projection vector concept. OA dot OB by modulus of OB. This is the projection vector. OA dot OB by modulus of OB. And he is asking, he given the condition. Condition he given that area of triangle OAB. What is the area of triangle OAB? We know that area of triangle OAB is equal to 1 by 2 OA cross OB. 1 by 2 OA cross OB. So, what is the projection vector formula? If the projection vector of OA on unit vector he given, no need. So, the data he given clearly, so you can try to understand OA is equal to, given I am writing, given modulus of OB is equal to 1. So, OA dot OB by 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into OA cross OB. 1 by 2 into OA cross OB. So OA dot OB, we know that mod OA into mod OB into cos theta. This one you can write as 1 by 2 into mod OA into mod OB into sin theta. This one, whether it is unit vector or anything, no problem. It will be getting cancelled. Cos theta is equal to sin theta. So area of 2 times he given the area. Yes, 2 times. So you can put 2 here. You can put 2. You can put 2. No need to write here. So sin theta. What is the where the sin theta and cos theta are equal? Everyone know that the angle is theta equal to pi by 4. 47 question completed. Yesterday we discussed 51. Now let us discuss about 48 question. 48 question is the regarding to locus he given. 48 question. A bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. A bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. And B bar is equal to yj bar plus xj bar. So yi bar he given. B bar is equal to yi bar plus xj bar given. And magnitude of A cross B is equal to 5 he given. The locus of xy you should calculate. Magnitude of A cross B. So you should get an idea about A cross B formula. What is the A cross B formula? Magnitude of A cross B is equal to 5 he given. Now using the data xi plus yj and yi plus xj, you can write here xi plus yj cross yi plus xj. Put the magnitude and equate the value as 5. Now you can write I cross I, no need to write because I cross I becomes 0. Then I cross j, everyone know that I cross j becomes k, xk plus y into j cross I. J cross I means minus k. So magnitude is equal to 5. No need to write j cross j because it becomes 0. We know that magnitude of the given vector is a component square plus a component square. Then you can write here x square plus y square is equal to 5 over root. So squaring on both sides you can write. Then you can get the value x square plus y square is equal to 25. So whenever x square plus y square is equal to 25, you can understand that this is a circle. So simply you write the value locus is circle. So now we discussed level 1 classwork important sums in the topic dot product of vectors. Let us continue level 1 homework in next class. Okay.